So you want to buy an older home, they said. I said, yeah, I do. Well, here's my latest troubles. Our septic system pretty much was not our septic. We're on a septic system. There's a series of tanks. Actually, there's three. There's one there, and one there. The waste comes from the house through pipe, runs into the first tank. Solids fall, liquids obviously stay up, and drain into the next tank. Make sure the solids fall, and then drains into this third tank. Not sure why three, but and then they have that little device there which only allows the liquids to go out into the leach field. And what we have is a leach field. That solid pipe goes out, and then a perforated pipe. It's solid pipe out to this fence line basically, and then the perforated pipes run. You could probably see where that pile of dirt is, and then another one runs out that way, and it's perforated on the bottom so that the liquids run through the pipe and then drain down into the ground, where it's filtered into the ground water basically. So anyway, we're now having to have a new septic tank put in, which is about $10,000. In the process, they're gonna bring basically a power wash machine, and they're gonna stick a hose down into the pipe and flush out the lines that go out there, flush it back out so that the water drains, opens up the holes in the perforated pipe and let it drain so it can drain. But yeah, if it ain't one thing, it's another. At least it'll have a new septic system. I'm pretty sure this is original to the house. Again, the back part of this house was added in '43. So how many years old is that? 90? Close to 90, or even more than 90? Anyway, couldn't expect it to last forever, I don't think. Anyway, there you go. New septic system.